In this video, I will show you the channel strategy. Let me give you a quick preview, then I'll explain the whole strategy in more detail. The main idea of our system is to generate signals in these areas, as you can see here. As you can see, candles travel between these two channels. Candles come from here, touch the top line of this indicator, then the prices start to fall. Just after that, the candles hit the bottom line, come like this, and hit the bottom line, and the candle start to rise. At this point, we will use one more indicator to confirm this indicator. I should note that these contents are for educational purposes only. Let's move on the setup of these indicators, examples, and stop take profit places. To find the first indicator, we go to the Indicators tab and write Faytterro Bands, this indicator. After adding this indicator, let's go to the settings. We make settings as length 50 and this one is 2. That's it. As I said earlier, this indicator is channel indicator. As you can see here, the candles touch the bottom, dump to up and go down, go up, like this. But to maximize the winning trades, we need to add the second indicator. For this, we go to the Indicators tab and write Fisher, this indicator. And after integrating this indicator to our chart, now our system is ready. This indicator helps us to filter out false signals. As you can see here, if the blue line crosses down with orange line above this 1.5 line, it may give a sell signal, and if there is crosses below this minus 1.5, this blue line crosses above this orange line, it may give a buy signal, as you can see here. The stop distance could be below this line, green line or red line, and take profit place will be the opposite line. For example, if we enter the position here and put the stop here, we take profit after achieving the upper line. Now let's see more examples in a row. Let me show you clearly. As you can see here, candles goes up and touch the upper band, and I should look at the second indicator. As you can see here, there is crosses above this 1.5 line, and it gives additional signal. For example, if I take here the sell position, I will put the stop here and will take the profit after candles touching the below band, for example here. And again, we can consider it the valid crosses, and as you can see here, candles touch the below band, and for example, if I take here a buy position, or I take here buy position, I will put the stop below the green band and will take the profit the upper band. Let's see the next. As you can see here, candles touch the upper band and prices again go up. So here we could also stop, or if you do price action, you could catch the position here. If I put the stop above this line, I would take the profit after achieving the next line. Alright. As you can see here, candles touch the below band, but Fisher indicator doesn't confirm this signal. So it confirms this signal here. I don't know exactly we will take the position here or not. Again, candles reach the upper band and we see here the crosses on Fisher indicator. If we take the sell position here, I would put the stop below this band or previous high and would take the profit after reach this band. Let's see the result. We stopped here. It means that this video doesn't mean that it will always work perfectly. These indicators also give false signals, and you should expect this because no indicator or strategy will give you 100% guaranteed signals, and no matter how accurate the indicator or strategy is or how much experience you have, losing trades are always part of trading. Thank you for watching this video till here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell so you can be informed about my new videos. See you in the next video. Good luck.